Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up DNS on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. As this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to set up DNS on GoDaddy. And once we are here, of course, we'll have to click at our name at the top right corner, then click at my products, which will take us into the products page. Of course, if you want to set up a DNS, you'll have to own a domain name in your account. If you have that, that's cool. But if you don't, you'll have to check one of our videos in the channel on how to get a domain name. Of course, once you have it, of course, just go and expand this domains options or section if it's not expanded, and just locate the domain name. Of course, you'll have the option to have more than one, not just me. Here I have just one. Once you have your domain name, you can simply click at DNS here, and here you will be able to start your DNS management, as you can see here. Here you'll be able to add whatever record you want, delete or even edit your records, and even edit or change or even add some name servers, or you can just upload or connect your domain into your website that you already built. And of course, there's even the premium DNS if you want, and you will have to simply buy it if you want it. So this will be actually it for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.